Friends, today I'll tell you 3 key methods by which you can speak very fluent English. You will be a fluent speaker. So if you wish to be a fluent speaker, then watch this video till the end and also follow these 3 methods. So let's start. The first method is you have to write your own diary, and in that diary start writing from today itself. In that diary you have to do what you have to do. You have to write your day activity, your whatever you have done today. You have to write it down from morning. Suppose you have brushed your teeth, you have to write it down. You have gone to toilet, you have to write it down. So everything, whatever you have done, you have spoken to someone, you have to write it down in English. Everything you have to write it down in English, mind it. Okay, so this is the first method, and you have to keep doing on regular basis, on daily basis for 6 months at least. You have to do it. And now I will tell you second method. So the second method is you have to take the English newspaper. You have to take English newspaper and start reading it and start understanding it. If you are having problem in understanding it, then you can take the help of Google translator feature. Go to the Google and there is a translator feature. You can take the help, and where you are stuck, you can translate these English sentences into Hindi and you can get the clarity. But don't skip it. You continue reading regularly and daily, at least 1 hour you have to do it, and understand the news properly, get the clarity. Okay, so this is second method. You have to do it for 6 months. Now the third method is you have to start thinking in English, because you are not getting the opportunity to speak. So what you can do, you can think in English. Start thinking everything in English. Something is going on in your mind every time. So this time you are thinking in Hindi. So what you have to do, you have to think in English. So by this what will happen, that sentence will come regularly in your mind. English sentence will come to your mind. English word will come to your mind. And when you will get the opportunity to speak English, these sentences, these words will then come to your mouth and you can speak fluently. Okay, so these are 3 methods, and I hope that you will follow it, and I hope that you will be definitely able to speak very good English, very fluent English. Thank you.